Respected Deputy Secretary, I thank for this opportunity for giving me to take part in this participation. I would like to highlight the issues and grievances of my country directly. Sir, road sector and bridge sector, I want to demand this thing. Rambrai to Nonglang road is to be constructed, and Rambrai, Mautumarawi to Malangsu is to be created, and Atiabari to Malangpona is to be constructed, and Yunongma to Nongolin is to be constructed, and Langdongdai to Mangsang road should be connected. And then in health, in terms of health sectors, I would like to demand this thing. Rambrai PHC should be upgraded, and Malangpona sub-center is to be upgraded to PHC, and Rambrai PHC is to be upgraded to CSC. And then Kersai sub-center is to be upgraded to PHC level. And then sub-center is to be created at Aparangsa village. And in terms of home department, I would like to say this thing. The police outpost is to be created at Rambrai as early as possible. And then in terms of sports, sir, mini sports football stadium is to be created at Rambrai and Malangpona Sildugi. And then new football playground is to be created at Langja village. Indoor stadium also is to be created at Rambrai and Aradunga. In education sector, sir, in our constituency we don't have anything. So people, community and college should be created, and Ekalabia residential school also is to be created. Infrastructures like hostel and staff quarter is to be created at Malangpona Higher Secondary School and other gov schools also. And then in terms of tourism department, sir, in our constituency, at least tourist spot and destination is to be created at Kersai and Malangpona. And in view of this above, I would like to request the government of the day to kindly look and consider the issues and problems of my country. With this few submission, I resume my shift, sir.
Thank you. I would like to make an announcement. Many members is even now sending their slip, expressing their willingness to participate. So no, now I will not accept anymore. In view of the so many members say are yet to speak. So may I call upon the honorable member Ba Olan Singh Swin to take the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. At the very outset, I want to reflect my gratitude to the government for reflecting the 87 crore for Moflangbara route, which we have never expected, it has never happened before. Besides the Moflang-Willow Road, 48 crore, which was under construction, we are also receiving a new budget. So kudos to the Deputy Chief Minister in charge road. And we still have many physical connectivity and seamless mobility. Besides this major road that the Muslim constituency has never expected, 40 to 50 years, we have been experiencing only with a single lane road. It is only at this present dispensation that we are getting this new intermediate road covering of almost 50 plus kilometers. I would like to appreciate the government for the steps taken to earmark 100 crore for the hub center, prime hub center. 100 crore is earmarked and is allotted to that every block should have the prime hub. The duty and the function of the prime hub is to deal with the processing and marketing and collection center. I would also add something more, that packing and packaging of the produce of agricultural produce and other produce may be looked upon. Because once after the packing and packaging unit is set up, we expect that we are getting a good grading, good branding for the produce. And I would request also, since the MLA Basin Development Authority is dealing with the natural resources management and development. So I request this natural resource development and management under the MLA Basin Development Authority to take up some broomstick cultivation in the degraded land, in the table land that we have in my constituency. Because broomgrass is advisable to take up cultivation in degraded land or in class 6, 7, 8 classes of soil that we say. So that what is the broomgrass? What is the importance of broomgrass? It becomes a cash crop. It can feed us fuel to the food. It can feed us as fuel to the community. It can give us food and fodder to the livestock. And besides this, it is a very important plant to conserve soil and water. So I request the MLA Basin Development Authority to deal with this subject. And in agriculture, we have this mini mission mode project. Now we know that agriculture crops, oranges, arecanut, so many questions were raised during question hour. We are facing different issues and different challenges that we have. Bud rot in arecanut, fruit drop in citrus decline due to the fungus, virus, insects. So many biotic and abiotic factors that we have. We need specific technological intervention. In this respect, sir, through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to the concerned department, I request that we should adopt individual orchard as a demonstration plot, so that in this demonstration plot, we can intervene, we can apply our international technologies to combat with the new emerging pests and diseases in these crops. If we go for the new plantation, we have to adopt a new plantation and all hands-hold for 4 or 5 years, so that once the technology is proved, with this proven technology, we can transfer this technology to the farmers' field. In fact, I want to appreciate also, sir, the ecotourism that Mosram constituency has appeared in the budget. 200 crores is earmarked for these amenities and circuit infrastructure. I have many great expectations from this government, this present dispensation, to take up these amenities and circuit infrastructure in my constituency. With these few words, sir, I salute the Agus House and thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. May I request Honorable Member Sri Lakshman Rambrai to take the floor.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister for the budget which he is presented that day. As we know that Meghalaya is a bird of cloud, and we have every right to have a dream. That's why we have seen that in this scheme of the government, we have Dream, we have Focus, we have CM Elevate, we have CM Connect, we have CM Care, we have CM Scholarship, we have CM Safe Motherhood, so on and so forth. In fact, there is a scheme for every citizen of the state. So having said that, sir, under the scheme of the government for the conversion of timber bridge, there are 3 timber bridge in Amrem subdivision, which need to be converted into the concrete bridge. I request the government to take note of this. And there are 3 bridgeless roads, which is motorable, but during the summer, the villagers could not travel because the river passed on the road. So I request that these 3 bridges near Karkhana village could be constructed into the permanent RCC, convert into permanent RCC bridge. And export points, I'm very glad that the Dauki export zone has been functional very well. I request the government to explore the Muktapur area as one of the export zone so that it will lessen the burden of the export in Dauki Tamabil, and moreover, it will open opportunity to the not only people of that area but also the people of East Jandi Hills through the Borkhat road. Power sir, I request the government that Leshka stage 2 should be expedited as much as possible, taking consideration also the concern of the landowner and also the public of that area. I'm very glad that the government through tourism department is developing the Snongpreng and Darang area. I would like also to develop the government to develop Sliang area in Amkoy, which is one of very beautiful and unique river formation, which we need a footbridge to connect. It will not cost much. This is a very, very important for that area because Sliang as of now is one of the must-see for the tourists in the state of our area, in the state of Meghalaya. Regarding the border areas, I request the government to explore that fund for the international border through border area department could be given so that to develop the border area. And health, I'm very glad that the government have upgraded the Jarain PHC to sub-divisional hospital and have already agreed in principle that the Jarain PHC be upgraded to urban health center. I request that Padu dispensary be upgradation be expedited. And one more thing is that the sub-center at Chermang, which already constructed long time back, be made functional. And also we need one more sub-center at Demtring to cover the area of more than 6,000 population of that area. And regarding the sports, so I'm very glad that the Honorable Minister have agreed that the Amrem Stadium will be constructed, but we need also to develop other playground. So I need the government should allot, if not a few lakh of rupees to different area for the development of playground. And one more thing, sir, which I request is that for last many years we didn't have a scheme of this eco-friendly crematorium. So, sir, I request through you, Madam Deputy Speaker, sir, that the government should revive this scheme, have set some fund for this eco-friendly crematorium, which we need in Chermang village and in Umlat Khor area and Satpator, which really need for the people of that area. And last, farmers, we have talked so much about the broom. And in this question today, which reflect that the cost of the decrease of the price of broom is also because of the use of plastic broom in our state. So we always make that, even our Honorable Prime Minister has made the slogan of vocal for local. I think the government, we have banned this plastic usage, single-use plastic. I request through you, Madam Deputy Speaker, sir, that the government should issue an order that all government office or infrastructure, government office or should use, or institution in the state should use only the local broom, not the plastic broom, wherever it is feasible. Last, sir, as I already raised many times, that Amrem subdivision is celebrating 50 years of its statehood, subdivision in 2026. I request the government to consider that border road subdivision in Amlarem be upgraded to the PWD division to cater the need of that area, combining with the other village on the side from Umngot till Mentudu of that Amlarem area. With these few words, once again, I'm very thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister for coming up with so many schemes, so many programs for the benefit of them. Under his leadership, we have, with this 10 mission, we hope that we will achieve the $10 billion economy. Thank you, Madam Speaker.